to succumb. Jesus has arrived to see our planet deprived of corruption and disease all around the seven seas. Our Lord will always save us, but the devil will enslave us. Of the lies, of blasphemy in the skies. From your tears, and we'll recover in years. Thank God for this world, thank God for everything. When you will return, we worship you as King. Thank God for our food, thank God for this gift. You're the Father of our food, so our world won't drift. You're my only way for me to sail away from the devil's heart, man. I'm just doing my part for this world to be better. I will be your debtor. The money goes to you, so my rent will come through. For my sins, so his work can begin. For our lives, so our planet survives. Thank God for this world, thank God for everything. When you will return, we worship you as King. Thank God for our food, thank God for this gift. You're the Father of our food, so our world won't drift. You're my sun in the rain. You are the thoughts in my brain. You are the band-aid that heals my throbbing pain. You